Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to my channel, Melmii Food and Lifestyle. Melmii, it's me. Welcome back for the Melmii Season 2. And here today, we're gonna start filming in my summer house. Come join with me today and let's cook together this amazing summer recipe. Let's cook together this quinoa salad with feta cheese and watermelon. This salad's gonna blow your mind. It's amazing sweetness and acidity balance for any time of the day, for any day. Come with me. I like summer because of the ingredients I can just pick straight from the garden. I love to use some edible flowers to add to the final touch to my salads, and picking them from my garden makes them 100% organic. My garden also provides me with some cherry tomatoes. Look at those cuties. Cucumbers from my greenhouse will also find a way to my salad today. Nothing better than freshly picked herbs to lighten up the salad dressing. Little bit of mint, little bit more of the dill. I personally love the taste of dill on everything. Little bit of parsley. This year they have not grown so tall, but the taste is still there. This is my little helper. Curiosity killed the cat, they say. Well, might as well be a dog. This little terrier needs to try everything the owners do and never falls behind by one step. Start plating the salad with your boiled and cooled down quinoa. Cook it as written on the package, and tricolor adds nice twist to the dish. Cut the watermelon. I did not remove the seeds as I don't mind them, but you can remove them. Cut small cubes and add it to the bowl. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half and add in with the other ingredients. These cucumbers I picked today had quite thick skin, so I decided to peel them. Leave the skin on when you're using different types of cucumbers. Cut them in half, slice, and add to the salad. For the dressing, in a small jar combine salt, olive oil, apple vinegar, and finely chopped herbs. Close the lid and just shake until all is mixed evenly. Pour the dressing on the salad. Mix it up. Please use a little bit more bowl than I did. I made a pretty big mess there. It looks already very juicy, so don't need to mix it too much. And on top of that, crumble some nice salty feta. For the crunchiness, add some seed mixture. And finally, some colorful edible flowers. Art on the plate. So delicious. Dear viewers, if you like the content, please comment my videos, put super like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Thank you. Bye.